talk about the attitude training, and like positive mental attitude is always spoken about. So like when you fall down, you get up. That is what you do. So same way, if you are angry, what is the replacement attitude you would like to have? Happiness, gratitude. It could be, it is like just going into a different state. Okay, fear, you know the full form of fear? Confidence, love. Yeah, so I think it's going to be very situational and different for different people. So fear is fantasized experiences appearing real. Fantasized experiences appearing real. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Like so many, sometimes they are real, but most of the times it's like fear, right? So anyway, so fear, then grief will be joy. So you can, in replacement attitude, the uh, thing is that whenever you have a negative feeling, you're not going to like keep on wallowing all day and like keep on living in it. There are two things, like what I've seen is that some people like to ventilate, call five friends, and like start doing all that stuff. So well, if you're fortunate and if you have that, that's good. And if, of course, if you have those friends who want to sit and wallow with you, that's also, then you are lucky. Yeah, but we are, I think, in a isolated lonely society where you cannot call up at, and what happen if it happens at 2 o'clock in the night, right? You cannot call up. So I believe that we need to have a self soothing mechanism, because we are not like those babies where we have those things where mom will come and do, right? So we need to soothe ourselves. So this is a technique which is like a self soothing technique, where you are going to, like, if you're on a bed, if it's in the night, you can be in the bed, lie down. If you are standing somewhere, anywhere, or you're sitting, but you're just like there. And then the next step would be that you are just like kind of focusing on your breathing, and you're bringing the attitude, like whatever the thing you want to replace, you are going to think about that situation. And then, because we say that heart is the seat of emotions, the anahata chakra, the heart chakra, right? So you can place your hand literally over here, and then you can think of the opposite emotion. That is like, if you have experienced some happy situation, like you said, like you when you go to the ocean and you feel that water, and you just feel so exhilarated. So anything which gives you that state and alters your state of consciousness, so you replace with that, and then once you alter that thinking and that state, then you open your eyes. Make sense? So this is something which is replacement attitude.